boys and girls. This is Mrs. Shimia, and this is...
Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bowman here.
So this video you will be watching on Friday, May 8th. And to complete this video, you need...
your math workbook, page B1, a pencil, and I think that's it for today. So math workbook and your pencil, and you're going to open up to page 60 in your workbook. You will complete the workbook with Mrs. Shimia and I as we go through it. If you need to pause to get your materials, please do. Otherwise, we will get started. Ready, Mrs. Shimia?
Ready, Mrs. Bowman.
All right, so today we're going to do some more counting and writing, and we are going to see how many items we need to make 10. So as you can see, if you put your finger on number 1, you will see we have apples. We have apples in the first box, and we have apples in the second box. We need to count how many apples we have all together. Are you ready to count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sentence underneath here says, count how many? How many do we count, boys and girls? 9. Okay. So now we have one more part to do with this because we want to make the magic number of 10. Do I have 10 apples all together, Mrs. Shimia, right now?
No, you don't. You have 9. And if you take a look at what 9 looks like, friends, I'm holding up 9 fingers. So now the next question is, how many more to make 10? So if you have 9 fingers holding up, how many more fingers do you put up to make 10? 1. So the answer is 1.
Very good. All right, so let's slide down to number 2. So we have some cups here. We're going to do the same thing. It says count how many. So I have some cups in my first box and I have cups in my second box. Are you ready to count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cups did we count? 8. So the very first sentence says count how many, and on that little green line I want you to write the number 8 with your pencil, please. So now the next question says how many more to make 10? So Mrs. Shimia, how would I do that?
Well, let's take a look at that number 8 again. So let's show 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have 8 fingers up, how many more fingers do we need to get to 10? So if you look at Mrs. Shimia's fingers right now, she has 8 up, and she would need to put up 2 more to get to 10. So the answer is 2.
Very good. Excellent. All right. Did everybody write the number 2 on the line? Okay, now we are going to go to page 61. And it looks just like this. It has some sandwiches at the top. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to count how many and see how many more to make 10. So I have to count how many sandwiches I have. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So where it says count how many, I'm going to write the number 3 because that's how many we counted. So Mrs. Shimia, now it says how many more to make 10. How would I do that?
Okay, so let's take a look at that number 3. 1, 2, 3, and let's look at Mrs. Shimia's fingers. So if she has 3 fingers up, she's going to need to count on to get to 10. So 3, I would go 4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
So Mrs. Bowman, how many fingers do I have up?
Well, I see you have 1 full hand up, which is 5. So 5, 6, 7. I am counting 7 fingers up. Great. Okay, number 4. Here we go. Let's count how many in all. You ready? We're going to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where it says count how many, you are going to write the number 9. When you're done, I'd like you to put 9 fingers in the air to match Mrs. Shimia's because we have to count on how many more to make 10. So you ready? 9 fingers up.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, how many more fingers do I need to put up in the air to make
10.
So I would need one more finger up, Mrs. Bowman, to make 10.
Very good. All right, boys and girls, you're doing awesome. Let's go down to the last problem for today, number 5. So we have children here. We need to count how many children all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count how many? We counted 5. So now we need to count on using our fingers to see how many more to make 10.
Okay. And so if I have 5, I would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to count on from 5 to get to 10. So the answer is 5.
Very good. So boys and girls, your workbook pages should look like the pages that Mrs. Shimmy and I just did with you. When you're finished, your moms or dads can take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. And you did a great job this week. We are very proud of you.
Thank you.
Good job, boys and girls. Bye.